Hi, having a good vacuum to keep your house and surroundings clean is absolutely essential. Due to that, there are dozens of trusted brands out there, and making the right decision is not so easy. The perfect choice highly depends on your needs and your situation. We spent more than 100 hours researching all the available vacuum cleaners in every category in order to create our top list to help you. You can check the products and their reviews if you click on the links in this description of this video. Watch our video and find your new vacuum easily.
With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with the tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set, plug in, and you're ready to start vacuuming.
It's the complete transformation of the upright vacuum, the Shark Rotator Powered Liftaway. It's an upright with powerful no loss of suction and advanced swivel steering for incredible maneuverability around furniture and tight corners. It's a liftaway for super lightweight portable cleaning above the floor, on furniture, ceiling fans, and cabinets. But Shark didn't stop there. With the Rotator, they solved a problem that stopped other uprights dead in their tracks: furniture. No more bending over, no more back-breaking cleaning, no more moving furniture, and no more leaving dirt behind. The Rotator-powered liftaway can reach it all. The secret behind the Rotator is its ability to deliver power to drive the brush roll when you go into liftaway mode. Power travels through the hose, down the pole, and right to the power head. Now you can reach the tightest spaces in your home, all while the cleaning head is still powered, continuing to drive the roller brushes deep into the carpet, providing deep down cleaning that never stops. Then simply reattach the canister. There has never been a vacuum that could do that. The Shark Rotator's power, versatility, and durability also make it the ultimate pet vacuum. And more importantly, the Rotator keeps the pet dander, dust, and allergens locked inside. In fact, the Rotator-powered liftaway's anti-allergen complete seal technology locks in 99.99% of dust and allergens, keeping them in the vacuum and out of the air you breathe, making the Rotator an absolute must-have in homes with allergy and asthma sufferers, young children, or pets. Go online for yourself and see all the 5-star reviews of the Rotator-powered liftaway from real Shark owners. It's no wonder J.D. Power ranked Shark highest in the nation in customer satisfaction 2 years in a row. More reach, more versatility, more performance, more cleaning power. The Shark Rotator-powered liftaway.